Hello and welcome to Atexor Studio. Today I would like to present to you SLAM Novo, which is the novelty in a SLAM FIXED product family.
The Novo family is available as long version and short version. Opening the end cap is easy. It provides you instant access to the terminal and saves time. The Novo is also available as blind end version. All the SLAM Novo items are with rounded design, with lightweight and anti-static plastic materials. Versions with wire-through system and with blind end part are available. And here you can see all the beautiful SLAM Novos installed on job site.
Versatile accessories, such as fixing brackets, are as important as good quality EX lights that you have just seen.
A variety of ceiling and wall brackets are included in the lighting package. As you can see, they are adjustable in many ways. For example, the stainless steel bands ensure easy mechanical redirection of the light fitting. And here's the real catch. The SLAM Novo, even with the brackets, are so lightweight that one workman can mount them without any excessive effort. The pole brackets come as different variants. For example, you have an opportunity to install them in upward or downward position. There's also another way to mount the light fitting in a pole. One of the most easiest way is to install the light by using single fixing pole brackets.
Thank you for watching. Please visit the website if you need more information and call us if required. Thank you.